We got a Samsung Z Flip 3 mobile for screen replacement. First of all, we have to remove back covers. Use heat gun to weaken the glue strength and remove the back covers with help of hard plastic cards. Be very careful while removing the back covers as the back screen is fragile. There is a flex connected that is of back screen that should be unplugged. Now with the help of screwdriver unscrew all the screws. You can locate all screws easily, so no trick is there. Now once all screws removed, now unplug the battery flex, then remove other 3 flex. Now it's time to remove batteries, as there are 2 of batteries, so remove the batteries one by one.
Please subscribe.
Follow all the steps as instructed in video. Do not do anything fast. Any single move could be harmful. Remove motherboard with care, and don't forget to removing SIM ejector before removing motherboard. If batteries are hardly stick, then use any suitable liquid so batteries can be removed easily. Now almost all things are out of the mobile cracked SIM. Be gently now moving all the items in same way you have removed from the old screen. Connect all the flexes and always connect battery flex in the end. Samsung Z Flip 3 screen has been replaced. Yes, it's done. Thank you for watching the video.